kahit yun na lang. Yan na, naka-play na.
Saan ako po?
Wag na, hawakan mo na lang. Okay na yan. Tututok na. Game. 1, 2, 3, go! Which one is faster? Mine is the smaller one. Oy, ay, mas mabilis na gusto.
Ha?
One more. Six on.
One only. Ah.
Naguntog eh, no? 1, 2, 3. Pareho lang eh. One's gonna go in faster.
Matagal yung manipis.
Ito pa?
Wala na. Only one na.
Oh, game. Change court. Wait. Game. 1. Yung ano ko kayo namin hul.
Huwag kayo mag-maunod. Huwag kayo maunod.
Ang bilis ng tipo.
Nabilis. Going in the hole. Going in the hole.
The bigger the coin is, the faster it is.
No, it's mine.
Kelly, ah.
Ako na ba?
Wala na. No more. No more.
Mine?
Who is that? That's you.
That's 4 pesos lang. 4.
The smaller the coin, the bigger the coin, the faster it goes inside the hole. No? If you get a smaller coin, the slower it will go in. No? This is the fastest one. This is the the longest one to cross into the hole.
Ito.
That's one also. It's the second slowest. And it's 5 pesos. It's the second fastest.
Kelly.
Ito.
Smile. Let's give.